How to give Robux to people in Roblox Mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device and make sure you were signed in. Now, tap on the More option from the bottom right of your screen and then scroll down and tap on the Create option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and then tap on the Creations option. You will then see your place, double tap on it. Now, tap on the three lines on the top left again and under the Monetization tab, tap on the Passes option. You will then see the Create a Pass option, tap on that and further go ahead and create your pass, that is, enter your name and the description. Once entered, tap on the Create Pass button. Now go ahead and tap on the pass that you just created and then tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. You will see the sales option, tap on that and now go ahead and toggle on the item for sale toggle button and then set the default price for your pass. Further, tap on the Save Changes button and now close this tab. Further, make sure that you have friends or connections on Roblox, and if not, then go ahead and add a few friends, as the person who's sending the Robux now needs to go onto their account. So, go and find them as a friend or a connection and then go and tap on them. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and scroll down and press the View Full Profile option and then tap on the Creations option and go ahead and tap on their place. Further, scroll down into Store and then go and find the pass. You can tap on the Robux amount and press Buy. And now, that 50 Robux is going to be sent to them if they've just gone and sold. So this is how you can give Robux to people in Roblox Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.